Hi, I'm Ed Cervantes, founder of EasyTax PH. At EasyTax PH, we help mga micro and small business entrepreneurs who are just starting out sa business nila, mga online sellers, freelancers, na wala pang budget to hire an accountant or bookkeeper. We help them to learn how to file and pay their own taxes, to learn bookkeeping kahit wala silang accounting background. Yung one customer success na hindi ko makakalimutan are our students sa training namin, webinars, na sinasabi nila sa akin, right now, umaabot na sila ng 2 years sa business nila and they never hired an accountant. Kasi they did it themselves. Through our trainings and webinars, they learned how to file and pay their taxes, how to do bookkeeping, at nakakaiwas sila sa mga unnecessary penalties with the BIR just through the learnings na nakuha nila sa EasyTax page. Kung gusto mo pang matuto ng mga tax filing and bookkeeping training for non-VAT individuals, for VAT individual taxpayers, so ikaw yung tipo na naghahanap ng learning material, learning guide, at nalilito ka saan ka mag-start sa tax filing, sa bookkeeping, sa business registration, EasyTax PH is for you. Sumali ka lang dito sa EasyTax PH Business Community at pagpasok mo dyan, i-click mo yung featured post, nandun yung complete details kung paano ka makaka-access. Mag-comment ka lang dyan below, guide, para ma-approve agad namin yung request mo. Kita-kits inside, I hope yumaman tayong lahat.